Welcome to 4th grade Social Studies, History, Social Science, California Studies. Chapter 1, The Geography of California. Lesson 1, Where is California? Vocabulary in this section: geography, continent, equator, hemisphere. Where is California? Build on what you know. How would you describe the location of your school? You might say it is near a well-known street. Now, how would you describe the location of California? California's location. Main idea. There are many ways to describe the location of California. Welcome to your state, California. In this book, you will study California's history and geography. Geography is the study of people and places on Earth. California has many types of land and water. You can find mountains, beaches, broad valleys, and waterfalls. No state has more varied land than California. California poppies. California is famous for its wildflowers, like these poppies in the Antelope Valley shown below. California's place in the world. California is one of the 50 states that make up the United States of America. It is on the continent of North America. A continent is a large mass of land on Earth's surface. North America is one of 7 continents on the planet. To study the continents, you can look at a map or a globe. A globe is a model of Earth. Globes are round like the Earth. For this reason, globes can show the size and location of continents, islands, oceans, and other features better than a flat map. The poles, equator, and hemispheres. The point on Earth that is farthest north is the North Pole. The point that is the farthest south is the South Pole. The equator is an imaginary line around the middle of the Earth. The equator is an equal distance from the 2 poles. The equator divides the Earth into 2 parts called hemispheres. A hemisphere is a half sphere or globe. The northern hemisphere lies between the equator and the North Pole. The southern hemisphere is south of the equator. The map above shows California and the world. Locating California. California is at the western edge of North America. What 3 North American countries are labeled on the map? Review. In which country, continent, and hemisphere is California located? Page 8. Geographers ask 4 questions. Main idea. Geographers describe and analyze places by asking questions. Geographers, or people who study geography, ask questions about places. Here are 4 questions they ask. Where is it? Geographers may start studying a place by asking where it is. This is a question about location. How would you describe California's location? You might say it is on the Pacific Ocean. It is north of Mexico, south of Oregon, and west of Nevada and Arizona. What are other ways to answer this question? What is it like there? Geographers also ask what places are like. Think about where you live. What physical features does it have? Physical features can include hills, mountains, or bodies of water. Other questions that could tell you about where you live are: how many people live there? What kind of work do they do? What plants and animals live there? What is California like? California has mountains, valleys, and beaches. It is home to many animals, plants, and forests. It has large cities and small towns. People work at farming, making movies, and building computers. Below is a photograph of beautiful Monterey, California. It shows 4 questions that people ask about Monterey. Where is it? Monterey is on the Pacific Ocean. What is it like there? Monterey has parks, beaches, and marinas where boats are kept. Why is it there? Sardine canneries led to Monterey's growth. And how has it changed? Monterey was once a small town, but now has many homes and businesses today. Why is it there? Geographers also ask why places, people, and plants and animals are where they are. For example, why are certain plants found only in Southern California? Geographers would look at the land, water, and weather to find the answer. They try to understand how land affects people and how people affect land. They might ask why people have built big cities on California's coast. How has it changed? Geographers also ask how places change over time. Human activities and physical forces can change places. People build roads and bridges. For example, powerful natural forces such as storms also cause places to change. Review. How might a geographer describe what it's like in California? Lesson summary. You can use maps and globes to find a location. Geographers ask questions about places and the people, plants, and animals who live in them. Why it matters. The study of geography helps us understand where we live and how it affects us. The photo below of the California quail is found in many parts of the state. The California quail is our state bird.